Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to delete X account on application. So before deleting your X account, you may want to have a copy of your X data. So if you want that, let me show you how you can do that. You want to tap your profile picture in the top left and now scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Now in your settings, select section Your Account and now go to Download and Archive of your data. So now you have to sign in to your X account, and after this, X will prepare a large zip file for you that will include all your X activities. So this will be your posts, your messages, your media, etc. Why we do that? Because when you delete your X account, all that data will be erased and you will have no access to it. So now, how to delete your X account? You want to go back and please make sure that you're in the section Your Account. Now go to Deactivate Your Account right here. On your screen you have some information provided by X, and now tap red Deactivate button at the bottom side of the screen, and then you want to enter your password, your X password, to confirm that you really want to deactivate your X account, and after this your account will be deleted. And if you log back into your X account during the 30 days after deactivation, your account will be automatically reactivated and the deactivation process will be cancelled. Again, after 30 days of no login activity, X will permanently delete your account and all data associated with it. So that's how you can delete your X account. Thank you for watching. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.